welcome to Easy Learning.
Exercise number 144. Dear Sir, I thank you for your circumstantial account of the centenary celebrations in your town, the reporting and sending of which show much consideration on your part. Full stop. Whenever I can help you in similar circumstances, I shall be only too pleased to do so. Full stop. It is remarkable that such an insignificant matter as the one you mention should give offense in newspaper circles. Full stop. One would have thought that its very significance would have been sufficient to ensure its acceptance. Full stop. Certainly, it is difficult to understand how anything of the kind could be described as unprincipled and unmannerly. Full stop. It is a misfortune that such a quibble should be raised, and I hope that everything will be done to save any inconvenience to those interested in the press. Full stop. Nevertheless, I do not think the cause is irremovable, but rather altogether removable, and I shall be thankful whatever is done to bring the parties together again. Full stop. Yours truly.